Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about exponential expressions. So what is an exponential expression? Well, an exponential expression is composed of two things. A big number, which we're going to call base, and a small number, which we're going to call exponent. Alright? Exponent. There we go. So what could we do with these expressions? Well, when I show you 5 to the second power, all I'm asking for you to do is the following. 5 times 5. To multiply 5 twice with itself. Remember, it's not 5 times 2, it's 5 times 5, which in this case is 25. If I were to show you 5 to the third power, this would be 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. Okay? When I write out the multiplication, I am talking about the expanding. Okay, so these expressions can be expanded. Okay, that's one skill. And also can be calculated. In this case, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. All right? Let's try one more. 4 to the second power. What could that be? Well, the base here is 4. The exponent is 2. So this is asking for me to multiply 4 times 4, which is 16. All right? Let's take a look at a different example. So what's going to happen if I have an exponential expression with a variable? In this case, the base happens to be a letter. That's the base, and this would still be the exponent. So since we're not given a value for the variable, all we can do is expand. So for example, a to the third power equates a times a times a. A to the, let's say, fifth power, it's equal to a times a times a times a times another a. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can actually try this stuff the other way around. I can actually give you an expanded form, and then you can compress it into an exponential expression. This is what I mean. For example, I can say a times a times a times a and ask you to compress it into an exponential expression. Notice that the base technically in this example is a, and the exponent is the amount of time a shows up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A to the fourth power. All right? So with that in mind, see if you can guys solve these three problems.